even if your business is going well, you'd be surprised how much better it can get.
From this event, I'm taking away a lot of practical tactics to approach how I am as a leader and how to also kind of check myself as a leader and always improve and improve.
The training is focused on your mentality. You continue to challenge your belief systems. You're becoming a leader. You're becoming a better version of yourself, not just at work, but in your personal life as well.
It's an awesome group of guys and women from all over the country, and the networking that I can just throw a question out there and get an answer to, and helping me to step with confidence and to pursue a great success for my company and my family.
What I'm taking away from this leadership event is I have a lot of work to do. It kind of opened my eyes on what a real leader is. It's not just someone that says they're going to do what they're going to do. Yeah, I'm taking a lot out of it and excited to bring it back home.
They are very hands-on, very passionate about what they do, very intentional. I've never met a community like them, especially specific to painting. And I think that they're elevating, the painting trade as a whole.
I don't know anything like it. I've never joined a group such, and its uniqueness comes from what everybody brings to it. Everybody has something to bring to the table. You're not here to just receive, you're here to give and receive and build upon.
Everything that we learn changes your life tremendously, right? Not just in the business side of things, but my whole life. So all these different areas of my life are impacted, bolstered, and improved.
What you see in the videos is pretty much what you get. It's nice to know that he's not just pretending to be this kind of coach and then you get something else. He is what he looks like.
I've made so many friends here, and it's really nice having other industry leaders across the country that you can go to for advice. And it's a really feel-good community, so I love it.